Golden, crispy fries shared with friends. Light, tasty nuggets on the go. A warm donut for a comforting moment. There isn't a culture on earth that hasn't dropped something into hot oil and received pure joy in return. But behind that crunch sits a challenge. Repeated frying. Every time oil is reused, it breaks down. Flavor drifts, texture suffers, consistency slips away. And as oil degrades, it forms compounds linked to health concerns. Compounds that end up in the food on the plate and in the air the kitchen team breathes all day. Even when the food looks perfectly golden, those compounds are still there. Think about it. About 15% of every fried dish you eat is the oil itself. Still want to eat that? The quality of the oil is the quality of the food and the experience your guests remember. For years, the only answer was to throw the oil out and start again. But in a real kitchen, that means more cost, more waste, more handling, and more impact on the planet. Producing a single gallon of cooking oil releases around 33 pounds of carbon. More oil used means more oil produced, shipped, and discarded. So operators were left to choose profit or quality, performance or health, the plate or the planet. This trade-off has existed for decades, until today. The future of fried food isn't about changing what people love. It's about improving the system behind it. Meet Beyond Oil, the new standard in frying performance and oil management. At the core is Beyond Oil Filter Powder, our patented dust-free technology. It absorbs harmful frying byproducts and removes them from the oil, delivering longevity, consistency, and control to frying oil and to the food it produces. With Beyond Oil, operators can extend oil life by 300% to 1,000%, while helping the oil perform like brand new day after day, drastically cutting oil consumption and slashing costs. Cleaner oil means better food, more consistent performance, and a healthier kitchen environment for the team behind the fryer. But Beyond Oil is more than a product. It's a complete frying performance and oil management system, combining our core technology with complementary products, app-based monitoring, measurement, reporting, training, and rollout support. We give operators everything they need to make frying cleaner, more consistent, and easier to control. Because in food service, frying isn't just a cooking process, it's a brand experience. And frying consistency is brand consistency, built for professional kitchens, designed for scale. Beyond Oil, the new standard for the frying industry.